your fingers down my spine. Girl, you look mighty fine.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here with a new video. In this video I'll just show you how to color bike alloy wheels. I prefer using gold color, you can use any color. I'll just show you how it's done. Here is the paint can which I'm using. As it says, it's Apo Happy Shine aerosol paint. The color which I'm choosing is matte black. It will be in the same color. You can use any color. This costs around some 150 bucks. You can even order it online, and I'll even give the link in the description for ordering these products online. You can have it. You require 2 cans of this to color both the alloy wheels for the bike. As you can see, I've removed this front alloy wheel of my bike. Now we'll start masking this part over this side, and the same will be done this side also. Then we'll start painting with the spray can. As you can see, you should cover this part of the tire. You have used a normal sellotape. You can also use the same thing. Now we'll just start painting. We should do it on both the sides, this side as well as on this side. Now we'll just start painting it. We'll have to paint this alloy wheel 3 times. There are 3 coats. First I'll show you 1 coat. After that I'll show you the other 2. You can see guys, we have successfully finished painting the alloy wheel. The first coat is done. You'll need not worry about the patches or the other marks, since the other 2 coats we can get the finishing done in the other 2 coats. After the first coat, let it dry for some 15 to 20 minutes, then later we'll see what has to be done. Now we'll just dismantle this back tire, and then we'll do the same masking as was done in the front tire, and we'll start painting back tire of my bike also. Right now we'll just have to paste tape on this side and other side also, that is masking the tire. Then we'll spray this tire also in the golden color, and then later we'll fix it back in the bike and I'll show you the overall look how it looks. There will be 3 layers of painting. first layer will take much time because whole that should be covered, and the next layer is just one layer on top of it, and third coat is the finishing layer. Let's continue. As you can see guys, we have painted this alloy wheel right now, and right now I'll just remove this masking tape which we have covered on this and other side, then we'll just fix this tire back into the bike. This is how the tire looks after removing the tape. You can see how well the tire is being painted, and for the extra marks that is over here, you just have to remove using petrol and cloth. I'll show that one. You can see guys, we have finished installing both the tires, and we have also painted those two alloys. It looks like this. I'll even show you the overall view of each tire, how it looks. You can have a check now.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on